So it sounds like something out of a movie. The threat of a bunch of human weapons with biologically enhanced capability. Pretty sure that's the plot line of Captain America. But the reality, we might be talking about Captain China. That's according to a new warning from the Director of National Intelligence about the threat from China. And by the way, a warning that has rare bipartisan agreement.
China intends to dominate the world economically, militarily, and technologically. They intend to be the world superpower.
That's John Ratcliffe, of course, who is out with that new interview and op-ed. And the two leaders in both parties on the Senate Intelligence Committee say basically he's right, that China, quote, will stop at nothing to exert its global dominance. But here's the part of Ratcliffe's warning that is especially noteworthy. He says China's efforts include human testing to help develop soldiers with those biologically enhanced capabilities. And that is why, of all things, we are talking about super soldiers right now. With me now is Ken Delaney, who covers national security and intelligence for NBC News. Ken, really? How real is this? How far along is this?
As you said, Hallie, this does seem like it's right out of a Hollywood plot. But what we know is that the nation's top intelligence official says that the U.S. has evidence that China is conducting biological experiments on its soldiers to enhance their capabilities. And as you said, he said this as part of an effort to convince Americans about the dire threat to American national security from China. So I was somewhat skeptical about this claim, but when I started poking around, I found that private American military experts in the think tank world have actually studied this issue and written about it, and they have found that there is ample evidence that Chinese scientists are very interested in applying biotechnology to the battlefield, and specifically the CRISPR gene editing tool, which raises a ton of questions. Picture super strong commandos who can operate on 3 hours sleep, or a sniper who can see twice as far as a normal person. This is the kind of thing that the Chinese aspire to doing, and it's problematic because in the West, we consider that to be unethical, to tamper with the genes of healthy people. The CRISPR tool is generally confined to sort of trying to cure genetic mutations and disease and try to improve plants. No one understands the implications of messing with human genes. And so that's a real worry. And it also sort of underscores, Radcliffe and others say, the extent to which China is committed to military superiority over the West, Hallie.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there.